Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today owana odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude pe ma hotepe oh yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. Bring the and if it do you know.
So yes, people say man all 5777. Doing a cook up this evening, I come home and actually gets done from about 3 days ago or so. See, £100 gas in a buy bucket. That's another story. I live with people. But anyhow, so we decide say have some fish in the fridge and now cook some barracuda. Yeah, I'm over here so a piece of yam, I go roast a piece of yam here. So I have some carrot and I have onion. Yeah, I have onion. And I have some Jamaican jerk season. Yes, and some Eastern jerk season again. And then I have, yeah, so when I'm seasoning fish, and I use all fish need a season, so I use all season of fish. So I use this to season it up, and this. And over here, so I have some barracuda out. And I have an oil and some frying pot here. I'm gonna do it right here, so. Yeah, so it's some coal. It's some foreign charcoal. You know, we are Jamaica when I use that charcoal. The charcoal I look like, what do you call it? Ass poo. Yeah, but I'm gonna use this evening. So, stick and stay. Though I'm gonna show you where I go on. I'm gonna excavate some fish. Yeah, that is it. So yes, peeps, night I come, so I'm try to do it faster. Yeah. Fish in the towel with it. Put it back in some more water. And do the towel properly. I take out it from this morning, but I never get the time. Or I wasn't thinking that I was going to look about any fish. So let's see if we can do it before night. And we say some barracuda. Yeah, when I look for fish, good to have a one line. Yeah. Have a one line, put on it. Choose not even a lime, I forgot to get another one. Oh, I have vinegar. So I have vinegar also. I have my vinegar. Yeah. So you see fish now, wash off in the vinegar. And then I will actually dry them. It's easier to deal with them, you know. Yes, I big up every Jamaican man. I know they can cook. I know a Jamaican man can cook. You know what to do with things. You know what I say? Yeah. Big up every Jamaican man, a yard and abroad. Big up on yourself. You hear that? Yeah, so now I could dry out the fish them before me season them up. Put on water upon it. Dry them off. Then I season. Too much water upon it, so dry it. And as I say, I can move my hand fast, because night I come down. It's after almost 5 o'clock now. You know, by 6:30, mosquito then come out. And I don't want to be out here at that time. Mosquito them out. I think I must sit by me because I'm nervous. Yeah, dry to fish them. Yeah, less water because them fish here when I'm fried, they burn you up. Pour for water in it. Yeah, when I cook, I kind of move my hand fast. So, yeah. It's nearly drop. That is it. That is it, peeps. So see there? Fish, huh? Let me deal with the fish now. So I'm not using noodle pan, just use a strainer. Do it like that. Yeah, just noodle mount up like. Now I cook some food, you know? Out of the kitchen there today. Yeah. You see peeps? So you do it. Breeze a blow hard, so I have to hold on my hand. Then, season. Why not season? Season there. Because somebody tell me something and show the season I use it. So see there, I'm showing the season now. Yeah. See there? Because that is not enough. Alright, this season, the one here say mild, but this one say hot. So this not that hot, but this one say hot, mean very hot. So the pepper another one here. Sometimes you use this, you have to be careful. When I use it, you can't eat it because it's extremely hot. It is extremely hot. Hot. And then fish are in a can up a bone, so you can use your hand and season it. Yeah. Fish barracuda must carry one big bone in it. Just one big bone. So I'm going to season it to make it go and marinate. You know, I'm going to cut up the carrots and the onion. I don't try to catch fire same time too. Catch fire same time too, you know, because the fire hard to catch. Yeah. See, look there. Looking at it. See, look. Yeah. So the pumpkin noodle give it a nice flavor. As you can see, I'm going for a pot cover it up. So yes, peeps, catch you on fire now.
Yeah. This go ice.
put it down like this. Yes, so that's over low like that. But it's a little bit uneven. I get a piece of block like that one here. This too high now. Block is too high. So the block too high. Okay, see that? That is it. Block there. Ow. Block there. Yeah. That is it. Major pack on it. That is it. Yes, please. Pull up. Pull up. Like cow poo. Pull up like cow poo. Camera too far and I can't hear me I say. Yeah. Cow look like cow poo. Yeah. Yeah. Steady cool too high. Alright people, stick and stay until we catch a fire. So people, see you might try to catch a fire, yeah? So good to work out now. I'm gonna try. On the back and I try to clear off the cars. The cooler down to catch. Try to catch it first. I don't want to smoke up. I know I'm here to smoke up. Blow hard, so guess we catch me. Holy smoke! Breeze a blow hard, peeps. If you can light a lighter good. I guess some of them sitting over here, so for them coconut tree. Yeah, them are blaze real good. These blaze real good. Let's see how fast they'll catch, babes. Hopefully catch fast. As I say, night have come. And the mosquito here no play. Good thing you breathe and blow, so I'm going on your apartment. Yay! See? Let it catch now. It's catching now. Catch no peeps. Catch no. Better catch no. Holy shit. Then sitting there blaze good peeps. Good to catch a fire, trust me. So blaze. Real good. Man. Cool, let me catch one. Go on. Yes, peeps. I get a little bit more and throw in the dust to be sure. Like it's good. So, see if I get to know. Then, I'm go like this. I use it at the moment. If I burn, I use that alone. Yes, peeps. And a pot here. Right pot for use. Real Jamaican pot. Real Jamaican pot. That is it. Yeah. One thing in cola, then take long, but when you catch, trouble. Take a time to catch, but when you catch, trouble, peeps. Catch trouble. Just now. I put it like a blaze now, not blaze. But get hot. trouble. Yeah. Pot, when a pot get hot, a different thing, peeps. Yeah, see cold, huh? Let me say cold come like half manure. When you catch, trouble. Yeah, so in the meantime, I'll go on cut up the carrot. I'm going to cut up the carrot in the meantime. Yes, peeps. Time to cut up the carrot and the onion now. As a carrot, I don't really wash carrot that nice, scrape it. Yeah, like this. And cut it up quick. I scrape it like that. And the peeps hold it down before. This is the Caribbean. And when you don't scrape it now, you can cut it. Yes, I scrape my carrot. Nothing is on carrot to peel, just scrape it. You know about? Yes, it's more still there in it. So yeah, smoke me up when we go. Safe and I see good. Safe and I see what I go on good. Yes, yes, I have a mic, but I realize my mic they never charge. I have wireless mic, but I realize they never charge. Some oil here. Make sure it's enough oil in the pot. Yo, what going? So the steps. Time to cut up carrots. Yeah. Quick and fast. Yeah. Yes, Steve, so I'm gonna cut up carrot. Yeah. Oh, forgot to make a can of pepper out here. Need a hot pepper in this. If you can do this, you have to have a sharp knife. Extremely sharp knife, and the knife is sharp. Yeah. You have some machine from Amazon, cut up this faster. I will get one. Because I never depend yet. Babes, this is how I'm gonna do it. Welcome to Holy Fire Kitchen. Oh, no one sweet pepper too. Not oil hot yet. Better hot. This I can't cut myself and finger me use for work every day. If I get one little cut, yeah, I know I'm going to manage. Can't afford to get not even one cut. But the reason why I slice is still because the table not so firm. Plastic table. Kind of kitchen for the counter now, I do faster. See, I thought about this. But then I sharpen the knife. Yeah, we cut myself. Yeah, I look at now. Oh, onion. I have to wait for the onion paste. Can't put in the onion yet. So I make it oil hot now. Yeah, let me see what I go on with. Not hot yet, man. Look hot, but it's not hot. Not hot yet, peeps. Oil cold, see me. Nah, go on with nothing. That's where fire go on. Fire joke, peeps. Fire joke. Roll for smoke. Roll for smoke and that's it. So cut up the onion. So, I have some purple onion. I just cut half of one. And then I cut half of the other onion too. So, knife sharp. Some love when knife sharp. Knife now itch. The other onion, yeah? Cut the onion so because sometimes the onion just pull up. And I cut up the side just pull up. Yeah. You have to choke and season in another container to get this. Alright, we'll grab one pepper and sweet pepper peeps. One hot pepper and a sweet pepper. A stick and stay. So this peeps, go for the pepper. So the pepper ready. Pepper went in the freezer. I don't want it to spoil. So if you make it a little bit hot, you cut some of the seed in it. Not too much if it's still too hot. Yeah, you want it hot now, people? You want to know if it's hot now? I'm going to go peep now. And remember, See if the oil hot enough now. I'm really going. The oil still not hot enough, peeps. I love when the oil hot. Should I use some stick, you know? I should be using some stick. Alright. Piece of yam, yeah? Go on. Yam and nice. So yam, yeah, peeps? Yeah. So, yam, yeah. Roll. Kind of thick still. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so once I wait for it, the oil is hot. Can I believe that? So let me get the fire. Now I wait for the oil to add. Okay, now clean up my table. When we start ready for fry fish them, link on the back. So yes peeps, the oil just hot now. Yes, babes. Yes, so the oil just start up now. So yeah, man, I get no good fire to that. I know I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it away. I am gonna get fire. The am not get no fire. I want the fire to kick up like it mad. Let's stir it up a little bit. Some more coal on it. I want the fire to kick like Van Damme. Yeah. Breathe, I blow hard on it still. I want the fire to kick up, that's me I have to take up it and put it on this. So I said I get some coconut ox and put underneath it. I get some coconut ox and put underneath it. Stay tuned. So yes peeps, the oil I get fire I get mad. So show them I gotta do now. Yes, peeps. Fire turn up. The fire does turn up the way I want it to turn up. So like I turn up so, turn the fish them. There's no one turn it, man. Cool there. Turn away. Alright, now get some more sitting extra nice. I have to change the pot. I want to know about with nothing. Yeah, boy. Yeah, outside the kitchen, the outside. Now go on the kitchen, outside the kitchen there. Pot jars in the color, man. And just change it. Pot into new one. Yeah. Like something I go on, peeps. Now we look like something I go on. Some yam there. Yam there up on the side. Yam up on the side. Oh. Yeah. Yam there go on, peeps. Yeah. I have to change the frying pan. Frying pan and then I go on with nothing. I don't know what to eat. You know what the fish look like it right now. Alright, see there? Some more the fish. Just start brown now. Yeah. Fire red. Tiger say, redder than red. Hold on, cool. Yeah, this is red. Red. Yeah, some wanted people, see it? Become golden brown. Come on, the pot there, look a while. Holy smoke! Yes, peeps. Them bunny no nice. Them bunny no nice at all. You see it? Yeah. Is it Steve, yeah?
Say, have to move, you imagine we have to move the kitchen outside?
You have to move the kitchen outside.
I think it's more better moving outside if the apple is that good.
Yeah. Yeah, Steve, so the kitchen inside are fixed though. Though the gas done, but the kitchen inside are fixed.
Look at
yeah.
See that outside the cooking?
Yeah, outside cooking at best.
Look at that tastes so much better.
Of course, it must taste better.
Look at when I cook my food this morning than yesterday.
Yeah.
That tastes so much good. I used to cook on the hocks.
Yeah.
Put the hocks in, and you have to make that coconut. But look, you could taste it.
Oh, you use the coconut ox?
Yeah.
Yeah, some might put in it too. Me use the coal, but me use the coconut ox too.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So yes, Steve, that is Steve. Steve is a Caymanian, Bahamian. He's a Bahamian by birth, but he live a Cayman for years. Yeah. Steve has same uses too. Look for breakfast this morning. Same food tastes better. Yeah, this too, babe. Yeah. Alright, this looks like I'm soon done now. How that, brother D? You see it? Yeah, man. What I say, kitchen there, no?
I say kitchen there.
Move the kitchen now.
Move it.
Yeah. Now about the inside kitchen. Inside kitchen now work out.
Yeah, work out.
So yes, peeps. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. I'm soon fly the drone. I look while I saw big heavy duty iguana. I know someone loves the iguana them. See a real big iguana over there, I can see him. I say I still see him over there, see me. Yeah, I can't see him for yourself. I can't stay for yourself. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, see the peeps, see up on the stone. They want to even look bigger than grandfather. Oh man. Him big like crocodile. Look there, look there peeps. That's an iguana. So him big. I play a drone over there, I'm gonna see him. Iguana big is a shame. All them then can't get $5 for him. I must $50 for him. Yeah. Eh? I cook. No, I'm not cooking iguana. Iguana, I cook, yes. So I will eat there if I eat them now. Before I take over the island again. Yeah? No, I eat iguana vegetarian. All the bush they eat. You eat iguana then? Yeah, mean. Iguana, anti-side tastes like chicken. Anti-side tastes like chicken. The bone does fine, but it tastes like chicken. You see it? Some cold man. My belly's been here some. Yes, peeps up there. Look at that! Okay, I'll go and add again to put in some more. Take a taste. Mmm. Can I get a chicken piece? No, you have to love it, man. Barracuda, I see the fish now, and I see. Nice beef. You can see. I'm putting in the next set. Put in the second set of the sweetest fish in the ocean. Barracuda. Check it out. Really? I follow me eat after the whole life and I follow me eat. Where you sleep? If I follow by the time I done, fry done. So yes peeps, I'm almost done now. So let's put a little more coal in this. I keep up faster. Just a bit more coal. Always a burn up myself. Well, I am a muscle roast now. Ayan na, muscle roast. I am the name muscle roast. Yes, peeps, so fish almost done now. Fish almost done. Yeah, that's the thing in a piece when I roast, when I fry fish. If the fish just going there in the oil, not hot enough, it's going to break up. And it's a way to be extremely hot. So I'm going to sell some, I have a little bit more. So stick and stay, and then I have to fry up the vegetable. Stick and stay, not go nowhere. So yes, peeps, this is the last of it in the pot now. And as you see, sun almost gone down completely. Because it's like 6:33 now. Yeah, 6:33 now. Yeah, it's 6:33 now. And I'm still cooking. Not cooking still, but it's more like frying fish. Yeah. Yeah, the evening kind of cool, but just feel like a bit hot. See me as the fire heat. Yeah, so I'm gonna just sort out the vegetable. Yeah, the vegetable ready. Yeah. And carrot and onion and pepper. Yeah. So stick and stay, I go see a look. Yeah, one dish of fish for 3 of us. 3 of us? You want to know 3 of us? Me, myself, and I. That's the 3 of us. We just want one captain bread now. A whole wheat bread at one. So we can get somebody buy one. We can get anti buy one and shall come and work. Yes. So I can just have something for in the morning. Bring breakfast with me on the road. So stick and stay. I'm going to. So yes, peeps. And fish here, you have to turn them. Yeah. You smoke a bad of me is a shame. Yeah. When them fish you have to turn them. If you don't turn them, they tend to stick. Yeah, so you have to turn them all the time. Ugh. But the smoke here, bad of me eye. This smoke a bad of me eye. Yeah. Yeah, you know, so Caribbean here follow macro. You know, this is the Caribbean. Yeah. You know, outdoor cooking, nothing nice so. Outdoor cooking is so nice. The food tastes different from the gas. One thing when them fall in a Cayman, they don't know what time it is. Yeah, them Cayman and fall, yeah, they don't know what time it is. Cause like after 6, you know, Jamaica they fall after 6 fall go and roast. Them fall you go to the supermarket and say don't walk up and put in a parking lot at 10 o'clock. Seriously. Them fall you walk up and the parking lot after 10. Them fall don't know what time it is. Yeah. Before them go up and roast. Yeah man. I'll tell you exactly what time now. After 6 now. Yeah. After 6. Like 19 minutes to 7. Yeah, in Jamaica, fall gone pan and roast already. I would say roast, you know what I mean? Then find a tree and gone up in a tree. That's how we say roast. You know, so we as Jamaican, we put things different. You know, we use the word different. That's how we make it so special, you know? We're not business about no vocabulary or no dictionary and we just create our own words. Yeah, like me. I love say the sun is sunning. And people might say, hey. Even sometimes I chat patois me, some people say, ah. Yeah, you have speak proper English and whatever. But I am a Jamaican. Of course, I go chat patois. Yeah. Alright. So yes, peeps. Take off all the fish now. So I use a different frying pan now to fry up the vegetable. Yes, stir fry it. So you know I have to go fry it to that. I just want to pot of it hot now. So make sure it's hot fast. And show the rest of the oil tonight. Though I don't really want a whole heap of oil. It's a small amount. Just a small amount of oil in the pot you know. Yeah. So make the oil hot now. Yeah. Yeah, I could have used the same oil, but no. Fish them fry night, so it'll make it taste different. So I use fresh oil. Just a little bit. Yeah, not too much, because I don't want too much oil in it. You know too much oil not good for you? Yeah. Your high cholesterol. But instead this what? Instead this a canola oil. So yes peeps, so sick and stay. Now wait for the oil after that. Then I throw vegetable in it. I use one other liquor pot there, but that will take too long for hot. I'm more done now because you see it get dark. Oh, so long. You see that? Put this yellow yam in this. Reason why the yam, you know, long the yam in it, no fire. The reason why, because I know say it might not roast, it might take long for roast because a yellow yam. So I'm gonna scrape it, make it cool off a bit. And I scrape it. I'm gonna throw some water on it. I throw some water on it. Throw some water in it. Throw some water on it, please. Then we scrape it. To cool it faster. Throw this here now. Yes, yes. Pepper on everything. So look a bit. Yeah. Look good down. Look now. Look good down. Pepper hot is a pepper smell hot is a shame. And tell us if pepper smell hot. The pepper smell hot. Smell the pepper in it. I'm gonna put the seed in it again. Let's open it too hot. Let's hope it's not too hot. So after me have it like that, peeps. Stir it up like that. Look how I gotta do now. Just look. So it look pretty. But a little bit of vinegar in it. Yeah, just like that. Just a little bit of vinegar. Yeah. And look now. Cover it. Few little minutes. Make it go on. Simmer down. Control your temper. Simmer down. So it go on. Simmer now, peeps. So look. Stick and stay. Yes, peeps. I'm check on it again. So it go on with now. Then I peel me. Yam. Yeah. Yeah. Smell good. Smell good. Smell good. Just want to simmer a little bit more. Then it's good to go. Smell the vinegar and the pepper. Yeah, just right. Pepper just right. I need to turn on the fire though. Fire alright. No, dry out it. I don't really want to dry out. I want it. See, when you cover it like that now, that's steam. So let me see what I'm going with. So we can scrape it. Yeah. See my peeps. It's yellow yam roast. Yellow yam. Time I get dark up. I'm the water from to 5. So yam, yeah. Long time in a roast yam piece. I don't think about sweet potato, but I say the yam one. So I just take a piece of yam in the supermarket. This is Jamaican yellow yam. The Jamaica import yam to Cayman. Yeah. You need to import more stuff from St. Mary banana and yam mostly. And like I think when I sweet potato them look like Jamaican sweet potato too. But the banana them green banana. St. Mary green banana. Huh?
You think that guana you clean?
Repeat?
I say I think because the guana you cleaning.
You think it's iguana? So I'm big one over there, man. Today I'm gonna kill him.
You know the world coming in, we have to start when you
Eh?
I said the end of the world, they come to we have to start when the earth.
The end of the earth? The earth now no end, man. I'm about to tell you nothing.
The end of the world coming.
The world now no end. World without end. Yeah? The world always continue.
And when you cook?
Some fish, you know, some barracuda. Now go excavate. Yeah.
So you have your roasting?
Eh?
And what's your roasting?
No, yam. It's a yam roast.
Oh.
Yellow yam. Jamaican yellow yam. So I'm not peel it, you know, I scrape it. And get everything out of nourishment. Yes, people, it's a Colombian, you know. I tell me, say, I think I iguana. So, you know, Colombian then. Some are Colombian, them not say every Colombian. Some Colombian eat iguana. Yeah. They actually eat iguana. They skin them. Yeah. And eat them. So, you know, iguana have a tough skin like crocodile and alligator. So then they skin them. Yeah, see my yam, yeah? See my yam here? Yeah. That is my yam. Yes, peeps. Yam ready now. I'm gonna just bust it in the middle like this. Let's see what I go on here, so. Alright. Go on, go on. Can take off now, peeps. Not a minute more. Not a minute more. gonna take it off now. Show you how I'm gonna take it off. Jamaican style. I use a Jamaican towel to take it off, show you. It's a Jamaican towel. I'm showing you what is a Jamaican towel. Looking at this, peeps. See it on peeps. Time to throw it in the fish now. Throw it on the fish like that. And spread it. Yeah. Just like that, peeps. See? Look at that. You got that? And peeps, because time up on me, not even go for no plate. I'm going to show them how to deal with it. Mother mean. Show them how to deal with it. So let's go like so. Both the yam. Yam like this. Yeah. Whoa. Woo, woo. It's real yardman style, you know? Just like that. You got that? Okay. Yes, good. Long time I eat roast yam. Have not seen good. Long time I don't eat roast yam. Yeah, so nice. Roast yam, barracuda. Pepper hot too. Tilapias. This is the life, Caribbean life. So I love the Caribbean. Because if I'm in America, or New York, or wherever, couldn't cook have a fire outside like this. You get me I say? Caribbean life is the best, so. Yeah, out the door, fresh air, cut them across here, me, even though after 7 now. Roast yam. Oh my god. See? This sweet. Long time I eat roast yam. I want to do this some more often. This is nice. Let me get a thumbnail for myself. Yeah. It's nice. If I've got any video, so I'm full enjoy this. So my face are greasy. Out here cool, but still a sweat. Food nice. So, if you watch the video until the end, thank you for watching. Yes, I'm sorry I can't share this one. Barracuda. Esco Beach barracuda with some roast yellow yam. Trust me. I'm sorry I can't share this with you. It's nice. Real nice. Natural food. You know what I say? Yeah. So anyway, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know what I say? On fire, all of fire. Love what I do what I love. Do it to your best ability. That is it. Peace out.
It's no. You brought a days to my nights. Something you do to my heart. Something you do, girl. I can't explain it. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Yeah. You are the time of my life. Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. You brought the days to my nights. Yeah. And you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow. Told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow. You know like the game them play. Give it to you straight all day. Oh wow. Body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow. Yeah.